I look like I just got into a fight with Edward Scissorhands. Day 8 studio build on a budget. Epic day today. We show you how we went from this to this.
Wakanda forever!
Something like this costs to build.
$6,045.
Stay tuned, family, till the end, and we're gonna tell exactly how much we spent.
These steps will work for any studio build. First, think about what type of studio set you'd like to build. Write down all your measurements of the space in order to purchase all the materials you need. Your measurement drawing should look something like this. Once you're done drawing, very nice. Go shopping. Step 2, demolition.
Wakanda forever! Each project can run anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000 in demolition.
Destroy your own property and save thousands of dollars. Let's see if I can break this wall. Can't break it. That wall's coming down. My first time demo, baby.
Use proper safety equipment, safety glasses, gloves, hearing protection. You can easily put out an eye, deafen yourself, or cut off fingers.
Work smart, not hard. And when in doubt, beat it up with a hound. Release the hounds! I almost killed myself. Drywall, no bueno. So the only reason that I'm using a chisel and not a power tool is because I got baby Felix, and that power tool would get dust all over the place. Can't turn back now. Breaking tile is no joke. And that, family, is how you destroy a kitchen to build a new one.
We are the champions of world.
Destroy your own stuff, but hire a professional to put it together. Master builder and interior architect, Jimmy Beach, folks.
Up to the beach.
It's paint time. It is day 5. A rough road building your own studio, but 100% worth it for you folks.
This is where it's important to demo.
A little sand action. Very smooth, like baby booty.
Butcher block install. Take 1.
Day 6, metal getting cut. That's our kitchen metal getting fabricated by Grandmaster Chuck.
What's going like that?
Yep. Thank you so much. For cutting the metal.
Take 1. Metal part 3.
Almost done. Mwah! Bellissimo! The Great Wall of Metal is complete.
Upper cabinet setting part 1.
Butcher block number 2. I glued my fingertips back together. Day 9, floors. Cut again. What a rookie, this guy. Cleanliness is godliness. Day 10, budget studio build. Here we go. Countertops. Booze, cream. The wood is very happy. Betsy's going in the counter. Testing. It is day 11, 4 o'clock in the morning. Lights. And this studio is gonna be lit up like a Christmas tree. The final touches. I haven't slept or eaten anything in 12 days. A big thank you to the masterful Jimmy Beach, folks. When planning your studio build, plan on having many electrical outlets around the entire studio so you can connect all your lighting and audio. I'd like to thank my brother Edward Wentworth Shaw, a movie director and producer, for dissecting my content and telling me exactly what I needed. And a big thank you to my little brother Eddie for always pushing me to be better to create content. I love you, man. Another cool tip, have something gray in the background for color check correction. We couldn't soundproof the walls due to our budget. Much mahalos to Benjamin Graff, the developer. His Ascentize plugin saved us thousands of dollars.
Michelle wrote a book, her memoir. Look at that. New beginnings, 2 years in the making, and I still cry like a baby.
Please be kind to yourself and each other. Thank you for coming out. God bless. Good night. Peace.